This is the Avantree Medley 6018. Wireless Bluetooth TV headphones that can work alongside your external TV speakers such as soundbar or AV receiver. In this video, you will find these contents. Here's a look at the box contents. First, power on the headphone. Next, connect the transmitter to a power source using the Type-C cable we provided, and flip the power switch to on. We recommend using a wall plug as power source so that the base won't stop charging even if you turn off the TV. Once connected, the indicators will turn solid blue. There are 4 ways to connect the Medley 6018 to your TV: optical, 3.5mm aux, RCA, and wired microphone. If you have optical port on your TV, simply connect the Medley's OPT input port to your TV using the optical cable we provided. Push the mode switch to OPT position. Next, go to the sound settings menu on your TV and make sure that your sound format has been set to PCM. If you decide to go with aux, connect Medley to your TV's headphones jack using the auxiliary cable we provided. Push the mode switch to aux position and make sure you set your TV's audio output to headset. If you have an older TV with red and white audio ports, please utilize an RCA adapter and an auxiliary cable to connect the Medley. Push the mode switch to aux position. And please make sure that you select External Speaker in your sound settings menu. If you can't find any of the audio out ports mentioned above, you may go with the microphone option. Please note that the sound quality won't be as good on this option. To use the mic, plug the wired microphone included into the mic port on Medley and push the mode switch to mic position. Stick the mic onto your TV's built-in speaker. If you have a soundbar or stereo AVR, you may connect it to the output port on your 6018. It'll work simultaneously with the headphone. To connect a second pair of headphones after the original pair has connected, get the second pair of headphones into pairing mode. And hold the Medley base's power switch at pair position until it starts flashing red and blue. Give them a few seconds. Once connected, the indicators will turn solid blue. Now you should be good to go. To charge the headphone, simply place it back onto the base. Please make sure that the metal pins are properly aligned. The indicator light will turn red while charging and turn blue when the charging is complete. Still not sure what to do? Click the link in the description below and visit our support site for more step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching.